Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Brooke Styles and this is 25 DIYs for Christmas. Today's a double episode, which is really exciting. We're going to do two different types of ornaments that I'm having on my cottage inspired Christmas tree. I'm setting it up this weekend, so I want to make sure I do all my ornaments before then. After these two ornaments, there'll be only two more left that I'll be making for my Christmas tree this year. Two ornaments we're making today are these really wholesome little cute character pegs. I noticed this year the trending bauble are these clear style and a lot of people are customizing them. Because we're running with the cottage theme, I have some dried flowers that I'm going to put into them. I'm really excited, let's jump into it. For the peg ornaments you'll need some paints, a hot glue gun, wooden pegs, little bits and pieces to decorate, hot glue sticks, and scrap bits of material. Just using these little pegs that I picked up from the craft shop, but you can also grab them from Bunnings. And we're going to use from the split down as pants, and the round bit at the top here will be the head. Using material, I'm going to make little things like scarves, cutting up paddle pop sticks for arms, pom-poms as little snow earmuffs, and maybe even some hair. It's time to decorate. I decided halfway through cutting paddle pop sticks that they were so unnecessary, so they're gonna not have any arms. That's totally up to you if you want to do that step. It's a little bit extra wasted time. Oh my goodness, how cute are they? I love them so much. I went for like a very pastel-y color scheme to match my baubles I've already made, and it definitely gives me the cottage vibes. They're just so adorable. Can't wait to put these on the Christmas tree on the weekend. Let's get into the second style. You won't need much for this next DIY ornament, and it shouldn't take long at all. The four things you'll need is a pair of scissors, some ribbon, dried or fake flowers, and some fillable baubles. I grabbed two sizes. Come separated, you can fill them with whatever you wish. Today we're doing flowers, but I think it would be really cute to put a little Polaroid photo in here, or even fill it with glitter. I also have a gift idea, but I'm going to save that for another time. Doing these DIY ornaments with me. I cannot wait to put them on my tree. I'll be videoing it with you so you can have some wholesome family content. Don't forget to check in tomorrow to see what we're up to, and find me on my other social media to see different ideas. Happy holidays, and thanks for watching 25 DIYs to Christmas. I'm Brooke Styles, and I'll see you soon.